A very warm good evening to Behind Woods audience. This is Dr. Bharat Reddy. Probably, so you must have been seeing me in Tamil films playing more as a cop and a commando, starting with Unnai Varun, Kamal sir's film, and then followed by Nagarjun Prakash Raj star Payanam, and then recently released Ragalapuram, which I had the opportunity to work with almost all the comedians of Tamil film industry, and a special thanks to Karna sir too. And very soon you will be watching me doing a film with Udanidhi sir, a movie titled as Kadirvel and Kadal, where for the first time in my life in Tamil film I have played some character, something different from cop. So it's a performance oriented comedy emotional character. So I'm also looking forward for the release of that film. Right now, presently enjoying the success of Ragalapuram. Have been a good reviews for Ragalapuram for my character too. Basically, playing a very serious cop in the film. And the only thing is, first time I think I've played a character without mustache in a Tamil film. Coincidentally, I was actually shooting for a Telugu film and doing an ad, so I had no choice but to commit like that. So I ended up doing the character like this. I think probably like what people say, one has to be blessed to be a doctor. So yeah, that is true. At the same point, what other thing I feel is one has to be blessed to work with Kamal sir. Like it is a living encyclopedia of movies. Like you are working with him, first greatest attire is what talking to him and looking at him. I used to feel is a big thing because we all grew up watching him on screen. So working with him was one of the biggest experiences of my lifetime. I still adore him. As I think probably that's the best thing probably that happened to me till date. And recently, sir actually himself had called and asked me to dub for Vishwarubam in Telugu. Though I did not get an opportunity to act, but I really felt it as a privilege, like such a big man telling me to dub for it. So I really liked doing it. And working experience with Kamal sir, basically, it's like it's near perfectionism. So like one has to be perfect. Your performance, your expressions, emotions, everything has to be noted down. Dot, no doing extra things. So it's like basically starting from his school. I think probably coming out from Kamal sir school was a big advantage for me. Actually, I did my schooling from Chennai La Chatelaine School. Basically, we have a lot of stage artists coming from this school, followed by it's Cho Ramswamy sir's school, probably as people all know that. So I was a stage artist even then. So I really had this passion of acting right from beginning. So that's how probably even after medicine I ended up into acting and doing medicine both. I think probably Tamil, probably if I've done 7 films, Telugu I have completed around 40 films. I know it is very hard to say, I know people will not like it if I say, but thing is there is a lot many things probably we'll have to learn from Tamil industry, especially for our beloved directors in Telugu. Working with Radhamohan sir, like it's like you're sitting and working or talking or watching TV at your home. It's that comfortable working with him. There is nothing much, I mean, he would say, or he will say, these are the kind of directors who will extract performance without telling you a word. Same goes with Prakash Raj. He's so helpful on sets. People actually find him arrogant or whatever, I don't know, but he's really amazing person on sets. One will have to work with him to understand things and movie. Actually, I am still working as cardiologist. I work for Apollo Hyderabad. So I still am practicing apart from my acting. Yeah, I love acting. At the same time, I love cardiology too. It was fun, sir. Working with Ragalapuram was really fun. It used to be 24 into 7 laughing on the sets with all these people. Whenever we are not in the shot, sitting, these people just listening to them, you'll actually you'll roll down laughing. It used to be that kind of fun working and talking with them. It was real fun. I've never worked into such kind of comedy atmosphere in any films. Tamil, we have completed shooting for Kadirvel and Kadal. Telugu 2 movies I'm coming up with, and next starting 2 films in Tamil. One is directed by Kannan sir, and the other one is Kanal Kannan sir's project. I think with Saranand sir must be directing the film, so they are soon to be start. We should be starting shooting anytime soon. And once again, wish Behind Woods audience a very warm and happy Deepavali. Have a blast. Please play safe. Be careful with children. and when you burst crackers.